Okay, yana say yanchao yama kwaba most definitely Emra GH Live Studios. Ghana's numero uno. Yada say wajia tumina we need to anamo. Debiada ya try as much as possible. Say a bit to me as serve you dear say nefata na unsan so I can sempa. Ewa gudi kwine so ewo mu na on this edition of episode nyame edi aduma ewiemu honom that is Wednesday. Nyame aboye ho ban ama December ne de toso edun so 2025 the year of our Lord ena yeremu na do medum ya ena wiem ho ena Asante Kotoko ebe training yedi mu komo be bro amanfo players a omo esi omo bedru ni ade ho komo ni nyina ede anima yebe justice to it na fi yebe yɛbɛma nana bakɔ am gracious akɔ akɔpie mu wɔ hɔ na training ne ho nsɛnsɛm ahodoɔ nyinaa no ɔde ato yɛn anim wɔ hɔ na ɛno nso ɛmɛsen nkɔda ɔfa Zito ɛtaa ne kɔtɔkɔ management ɛyɛ meeting baako mmienu mmiɛnsa day in and day out na nkenya news bi a deɛ but amana bɛyɛ news ɛnam sɛ nkɔmɔ no kasakyerɛ bi akɔ so mutually henceforth wobɛhu sɛ Zito niema bi sisa yeba bedi nkomo ere afa ho quickly na yato aso akọ anim eche dogly enra boa omkobo ye ewo bia friends Domsville ewo South Africa no it was really good I show sampa onimbobo nam sai so ama concern amanfo ahyase nso ese bisa kotoko fans ni bisa eno bisa Zito no esisai ba bia sie ne mamu ahu na eniema atumi akoso striker ehun komo strikers ehun komo enso yebedi ni nyina live ewo GH Live Studios Ghana's number
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay. No, not be beer every petty young quest straight away. Na yenin komo. Nyamidi adomwa. Say a queen befa so ache and airtime no yedin kind akahon asam actual. You bet me I any picture na yedi ato onom near bisa se papa way adwuma be no bedi ne kotoko. Utimi I identify say e bia papa administration way and I know ya adwuma edema wo mo. And as a footballer way time say no ball kotoko any ade na yedi ko saneka ho na pass ya wo airtime bochu not less than yemfa say 50 Ghana airtime there ba beto phone so na also odi atwa wonu speed de na bibia wie pay Christmas bonus any ade ma yenati fo nti o kan ho your next episode you better try as much as possible na fi yede aba na wanya clue na bibia timi akoso kama ka betimi a player former player ebetimi kwa nso a current player near bisa oni crew out free mu Nick Bonne class me and sound boy and sound of Abe join Kotoko ni nyina ho nsem no ye de tudwa anase ye de player chrono to ha na watchim na bibia akoso ye betimi kwa akofa former worker bi a waya adwuma de dada ma Kotoko eno so na watchim nti expect more on this festive season see abecha niema mostly airtime e de ama yenati for na bibia tumi akoso okay yenya adwuma na yenku enum tentam so live on GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. And I didn't say no Asia on 10 times so a woman young quay. Now young fans some of them are there. Coach Karim Zito, any ne mofa Tony young canisa, and answer the players. Echo could see a kind editor Dreams FC. Emma Kotoko, Yachi Ayame, dear, but Nina, we are also Eddie Kunim, and your 3 maximum points. Now, and what technical meeting, of course, so mostly we big games, be and I say we games, we are. Na empanyinfo coaches na ahia mu na omodwendwen yema ba ko enum ensa omuwia na enkomo foforo to aso no ese omne management nso edi nkomo a na said the administrative purposes ni nyina mu no wo mu adi ni nyina wakoso right after the Dreams FC game no kama ama nema awie nkodemdie so na enkasa hwere koye ebi kokoye say any players a wodo ebeba foreign 2 players ebeba bedru na ebia possibly within this week, you know, Omatimini Asante are training and conquest outrightly. One more sign contract and San Makusi pitch, so and I'm saying it too musum and Oyene Kusi Boswa, ya o pine so and pie, and Asante got a companion for be monitor with the coaches no be monitor players aye kan na o ma hwɛ sɛ de ne ma esi ekwanti nyamedi adoma na training na eba so awiamu no mienu ne no miensa so ekono Asante Kotoko mepacho expect say ebi ahoho bi betumi apiem wo ho na yatumi eden nsam ni nyina no abro de be free ma ba no ye be ma enua Emmanuel Menya na ba kwa gracious akakopiem na or the vivid accurate report edi amaye eno asen atwa mu nso a yemfa nto animu en say ene local scene ni mu no Kotoko ebeto couple of players bi edi abifu abre squad eno so ebetumi ahwe say Kokobasa strikers no say de 4 days ago, me di unkomo edema no se ene wo mo pe wo no ejina pampe dia any local scene on befa one striker e dia ka foreign no ho na ayakwa strikers mienu eno e nkoma ampanyifo di ye gu yasumu a yati bie the best role akotoko e pe bie mu panso a defensive midfield setup no e se kotoko enya central midfielder na edine die players ben 9 enye so mo koto 9 ni nyina ana miensa enye so mo koto miensa ni nyina me pa cho ya na CCCC dadako omo any management and I say ye can technical handlers no headed by Zito any management and it's not a Giorgio na omotimi ahwe ama bibia tumi akoso nti sa enetie but yan come to him say a dogly ne din no apagya yie pa enra performance we exhibit ye no ese asom panyufo no section of panyufo ni bia ni a dogly no wo mo edi ne hu nkomo na se kotoko ebefa player bia wo mo be serious background check yie pa enkonko player sebe o twi musie tume anase player udi mensem ewo u village awo da bi enti kotoko ye serious inquiries into omo for position bia the omo pani position no players mienu miensa na omo de omo ato no ateta ekwan of aso to ni player no na why checks into wia wa ohwe be foul so no na wa foul na tu aka no we be say wa shoni wo mo na eno so ato aso enti enya dogling kwa na central midfield row no wo mo edwen ne ho other couple of players can ho a background check with regards to players suban and any attitude any ade nyina no so wo mo check ye papa enye fedi agrono enkomo kakra to anti mo ana mo bisa dogly ho asem no kotoko emba out wo mo ewo nkomobo mu a eno etodwa ewo makwada na akwada usa or 21 year old and answer 21 years older January 4th 2004 and I say o ma many papa kan bo mu ewo no na in fact o share ne ball ba say ewo under 10 under 13 under 15s ekogosi under 17 e de my team your friend Banana in FC now mo youth development eno mo di akire ewo nkran kropon mu na honom eno boy e na agency bia your from some mentor management ebefa no ekopie mu LBA friends Czech Republic no mo de ne koye no team BI in the L4th division. That time I na a 3rd division. Your friend almost said TJ Jiskra. Onum eno kosi a kran kakra wanche esiwo so ena osaba ninchi oko Czech Republic Krobia friends Oxtinat Olich. Onum ena team no ABC ena ene osaba back up by no Heart of Lion penifo eso ni mu a joining Lions enche enti enkomobono yenhwe de be free aba central midfield role Asante ebefa player strikers another striker Asante ebefa player ewo hono ebetima strikers another betimi I striker sa any city any agent for no said mu trupu in ya the strikers ma manfa na so mudi nkomo check to company for no kwa ne se kwa ba kotoko company for very very smart enough and omo I vigilant say be na enkonkofa sembi emana enkoe player also cement bi na enkoe nsem bibriti kotoko empanyifo enya abutroye back line hon so no yemfa nto anim se enei Emmanuel Kote ombe register no womo assess no nti ye kan fullback wono so ebeba be him bi na bibia timi akoso eno enso etikoda center back position kotoko enra ye ho adwuma it's likely say Asante be pick back wono ma players ne said ye kasa baburu num nsian so wotwe no January transfer window emrosa me pacho akona nima na miensa anasa 9 abroswa na 9 enti hyenenso ema me sa numbers ni increase e baba betu animu na bibia tumi atodwa enti on that note yankwa animu na yemfa so mo se na Wednesday Asante Kotoko youth side no wo mo be si akan e wo sofo alignment wo bebo ayonke ya kan si kakra edi atrenchi oma pom eno te koda senior side no nyame boy na Wednesday awie eno mbe resume training e wa dako jache na series of friendly games ebetodwa enye ne but echira na de cheso no se kotoko omo de beko community said ya reporter no na ba Kwame Gracious justice to the job no obo se na kotoko enam agona asaman na omo ball school park and so na ni nyina no strategy na na prenkra and in the management adopt sane be ya one be attract and crofuku a wa chichini bench no mo so do for kotoko no atimi arise na no mu na your listeners I share yen so de kakra ba betodwa ebisa eka se ampa kotoko everything the team no akoba bia on person mo de ko akwakosi akan na emom ye kan yanto good players na emwa ema team no enwe peye ye top good players are example pitch this one 3-4 a flow there most definitely enyo obi na beka ya na beba stadium ho na abo apesunti no so idea on that note na penkra taking note here papa nti Charles Atta odi a odi ba kotoko o se yentimi momode na yento good players no any ade NFA offer Bismarck and Ponsa Minia Bismarck and Ponsa one also a similar situation and na afen so Boro Anthony one also a kan bi na Emmanuel Tachi womu nyina e kan bi a womu de kakra etudwa echemu sampa yento quality players na yenya quality players a eno a ebetwa manfo ababe remu e stadium a eno enkomo kakra efrimu eba coach Karim Zito ene Asante Kotoko technical meeting atodwa players umbeto ene ade nyina no mepacho womu atimi asinipo kama a nei ubehun se office na hyase womu abeba na womu monitor womu monitoring so Asante Kotoko management ede atu coach anim coach agiatuma henceforth free na ekonom ubehun se players ni bia enye regular players for Kotoko ebe hyase ewram training grounds a womu Asante be training na monitoring atodwa eno coach Karim Zito technical meeting nim kakra free mu ba ye na news ba ko a mame fama ye na tiefo na yento asomfa bi entudwa and it's coach Karim Zito management ene no edingita ho aka chense ofakabute ya na en central fund de eni omachi na wadaroma stay focus kama na adwuma no ena etwa no wadre na eniema enko anime ekokoba sa enen ukọ na wototo bo de bo obi to bo na wo hwe kire ni ade a ma step a wo take no etwe de be kire nti price banter ene ho ahwa na mfa nkosi ni ade no mepacho management ene Zito akasa se o transfers bi ene ade bi ono ma o make ni composure no enye stable na on focus e won players no so ani nyina mo no wo mo ene coach edi nkoma ofanso agi atun kama na omo ni di nkoma so fa Donzo ene Kwame Poku partnership ho se ampa na no story ebe ye se eso mo try e training grounds e friendly games a wodo mu no eso Zito e try se or partner Donzo ene Kwame Poku no me pa cho eno so e ade bia on training grounds obehu se name okwa Zito ebe try na bibia tumi akoso a discussion mu kakra ena ye di tudwa e di ama ye na chefo e wo mu no central phone so a moti kokotoka sama na motimi atena se ababa munam na mo bronsam so no with all due respect uma enya abotre na yemfa ni die ema de ani die esefata no journalist mi kwotena radio so kasetia ena Donzo nim ball but fine I mean it's all good obetimi a share opinion a share ne ma bi ba utimi kan tantan kan etisa be said the player no I mean wa mo border na owofuom ena ebia mpanyifo kofa ne ba ya em se esa na ya kasafin intin centralfo no so monso monhwa mokasa yi na coach no ono so try the best dey wom se me mani said anye Zito niam bi ho with tactical issues ni ade dey but eno ma akwanya se o tuja na ena mfayin kosi na Donzo sem ne ho anwan na di atem ene ade koso a sebe ha dwen mo me mfa ni die ema ye mpanyifo na bibia ntumi enkoso na mon centralfo ya nso ya kama sama na ekuro bi bu afu na aban bu afu pan bi a eba ye no na modwa nti mo de mo ye kamo de na modwa but mo mutimi ka manfo de ebie ho foni di a wanhwe ya na encha manfo so de mo nsam ebe ba bonten na no akwa nsem piti Zito we de wo fa Zito na me nso me de kakra eya futu amount say ofa open radio tie dodo Kumase Asante Kotoko coach deɛ wobɛtietie radio a ɛbɛha dwen focus wɔ adwuma a woyɛ ho me ɔfa na ɛyɛ adwuma no na ɛnyɛ krabɛhwɛ kanea na wɔ Dreams FC mini apanyi afajola ka ɛyɛ sports ano afresh ɛfɛ ɛhɔ no na pressure ni hɔ na watimi akyerɛkyerɛ kɔtɔkɔ an omu deficiency omu say ɛmfa nkosi na wabobɔ ɔbɔ ma ba so a na ɔmu asere na akɔ Dreams hɔ no pressure ni hɔ ba kɔtɔkɔ no opɛ sports tie it's good but so ɔfa ne focus on your job kɔtɔkɔ management a great service for you and to make the service to them agent meaning power agent big agent be no mama money deal short Glastonbury agent group be a kanyama bom a Swedish company our more a sports management can say pa kotoko panyi ba could be former worker be and the dear anymore nkomo the coach be ba ni din Lomosen e kan ho bi Ginny Ned Lomosen kan ni din ho ye be said that brepam a very good coach and so broni omo empanyfo ka say that be ye my legend and to us ne hwe ne makakra entimi show e management ensa ensi form na said your do ma yi a kire no fa unsu yi hwe so focus on players kikane ma bom tete bi free ti said those o de kwa mpoku na wo try omo e wo training grounds na bibia e koso kama e fa e nimonyam hwe e de ma e yesen se obedi di presenters ye chi na nkwadaa ya no mu twa ball na e yese no enkoka wo mo enkomo omo story Zuba offer Zuba crack command story ama Zuba nso can be Zuba ono so can be KM boss nso can be to be ma no na mfa hin kosi into afọ adaroma focus on no job ye bibi microphone say Zito nsano nie de kan na freak husband na wo Dreams now freak husband na wo ka kotoko deficiency no ade ne na esiusi na wontimi nyame ofa enti ye adwuma no ma hu sa no bo bibi na nso asante kotoko fans no ani na bibia anya krabehwe ofa Zuba ono so anya mo papa bia mo as good e wo boase e no de abedi kumase kase so ani oye KM boss afa nkyere na oban ni nti ofa obaya ma obi ono oban nkyere ni ade wo mu nyina be ka bi omo ka so mbami ababo kumase baba ya rom timi eboy o ma timi am ya mo nti kotokwa ne de ehun be da ho a obi abetuja ntimi ofa we de me de editorial kakra na so story so e de am say ani die ni an brase kwan so Emma journalists, presenters, no story. Ignore mo yawa juma focus. Na yawa juma me offer. Na bibia enkoso. Eno bebua. Jai radio ni tie offer. Ope radio tie do me offer. Offer asiki Zito. Me ana make a chro for Zito. Offer. Ti radio su tie no. Utie radio bebre dia. Ntu ka se yewra na say to da bia nko tie radio anka eni. Se ne nko na mananka ka asomasi. Na focus. Kotoko media team wo open information anything e dia na call system no ask your media team that's it and no I don't know ask your media team do not go and listen to free Ash FM now what team e dia koto Fox no what team dia koto pure team the free na ko Angel now dia koto 93.3 Kesben now Garden City Radio 92.1 offer you sports nyina na wutie Pep Guardiola or your idol no of Zito. One will say Pep Guardiola, he doesn't listen to what the social media cry. Pep Guardiola, no, and you'll be a man at that honor. Into offer. So also by Kotokoni ye pa now say, Ubeti radio, the anyway, the radio presenters want to bear Kotoko. Because uko tie ha. Uko tie ha. Yes, uko tie ha no. Now I into one because of away, ubey away into most players. I feel cry. Uko jina ho so ye training na we lose focus. Ba be press conference post match and pre-match and no media team no tenase. So kotoko any media team papa nso a mo sati a good one. And no media team Stephen mo be komo of a PR no dey say your friend is say Safu duku mo tenase. Na mo hu say Stephen I think Stephen guy and Stephen no betimi aboa. No what bisa no who say system no dey aye kwei. Ombebisa donzo asem. The likely question betimi aba. Dey ombebisa donzo asem to offer you are ready what prepared that. Unim di obeka so omo kan metimi dia fa ha. No who di obeka. Ye be bisa injury asem you know that some tenase na mo assess ansa na wako pre-match. Unya player be a details, the person the two na they are two the person the two nobody is going to force you. You are coaching the biggest club in Ghana, for Christ's sake. Me offer Zito. To suit radio no, and you radio phoning quite yet. What done for them too much. And tell you also man come my nay too much. Radio phone do be no about Kotoko Juma. What the radio phone at your survival down? Me a radio person, my radio Jumani be kakra, a check. And son I said it media baby drew her. With him, Kumase presenters, Miami Kahumbi, Kanyana more Fox FM. With all due respect, me can't correct. Set Kotoko management member, Sir Kotoko Panini, Eko Kasa Sabi radio station A, no ama me Kasa radio station B. Na agenda su. Yesu sa what the information ma ebia asem kan what information ma striker. Or the information ma sama and all the information ma mini apokwa free and all the information ma me bra sometime and all the ma of a jolaka. And to who say can a crowd Dr. Keke Saboya credibility. I'm sorry. Let's be realistic here. And you might be on my a we have to grow past the presenters most such that. Namunya pettiness ahoyano. So what tia some free PRFM credit to one fire sports nibi. Namunya pettiness in this ahoya gidi na. What it took Maswa yadi radio and why huh? Yet to radio presenter to me say Zito or Kasa Abia station A your friend or no so anfa me enko tunida we o ye enko tunida nyane sa Kotoko no ya bigo makomo information free social media ho Kotoko YouTube channel it should be really active and you see akobo bon kwa near the pictures abegu and videos abegu Kotoko website and that's so vibrant and kaka say ni. There's a lot of things that cause why you just joining. You bet me sika from YouTube, Kotoko Facebook, and the Facebook will cry sika ho. And so you better send the Kotoko your verification cry into being verified. I don't know if you ain't being verified. So account today on Facebook now. Mama yen channel so. Abusian for my editorial na yawa baba me kan in here. I don't know mama yen say and no name creative for. Yen direct Kotoko. Are you for the new Facebook account also? Name verify me professional. Niya si come free Facebook. Kwa sika Fabrizio Ramoni offer free Facebook. Offer free ya can say other social media network. And na Kotoko nya 2 years and that digital money and crowd for offer. And you bet na a Womsa fans bastard you may but avenue be beyond why we can recoup money from there. And so you are trying to money called just like that. And to over Zito, make can offer. Ti radio ti so. Pep Guardiola also your idol no unia kuma no your idol no ontie radio nko ntimi nye ni team ntimi offer focus wadwuma so ani die ni awbrase kwan so me hu nsa no adwuma te said the meden dop tete obi ode Luis Agema amokọbọ otimi yi ni ba efre kire no de ne kọ nanim Aziz Ansa midfielder na no bebo fullback me hu nsa no adwuma bi na jai said that bia usu na me players epra Journalists waiting be so useless question. Be not catch and say, no, I'm not going to answer this. The club will come up with the necessary. That's it. One bet minutes account 2 minutes. Now try some question. Be other year no. Ube please radio for no. And I mean of our own survival. About our own survival. Obia no in the history of Kotoko. What bar why radio for our survival here? It do baby me am of Apokunti nothing on person please radio for ni na. FI. In fact. No, person please radio for ni na. My friend, no my friend is like of Apokunti, no my friend is Divia. My friend of our amfa into amfa. Amfa no matter so kasa or kasa wa ha. And the Lord of the Green Turf, my friend of amfa. Into any of me about tunija. Amfa keke sa pon me true FM for na yard and for. Any wa ba 2 year wa no aye say dia. And na ho ya na kunkuma ye radio fa ho ya e na ekun ye. Na YouTube you cry ye ho he. Ahwo ye ani ba ye ne nsem hunu saa. Obi ti asem ka se e bi e chedogli wate na story no ka. Ubeka so bodin me ti free me nua Zito ho. Enti o kan na me smile checks me ka bi. Me to me bia me mo pepe mu nyina di me bo mu din. Adwuma na ya cha nya fe na ye ba be pa yi bia ho. No. Omi anya professional with all due respect. Unia timi tie unia no ahinham na ni abetena ho esa de oye yi bia ma enso Steve Wonder asha glasses kwahwe nim Mumianya pettiness no. Nyanya of a Zito so or year 2 for near 2 ways for radio for no. Mumianya hoyano. I'm focus on a professional job. Munya majuma. A big cross salary my on one cano. Why I'm on this cousin. Umye no so phone in it. A big cross salary my be am your one. Radio no. I na no this cousin. Na say nyame adom kotoko salary kokama. Na union radio for do na e ba de. Monso e ho na. Nti muminya botre be bia anwe. Nti me de me kan me offer Zito editorial ya me de soso ama me de asoso ama wi odoso me pese oso CD and you are capable ubetimi aye adwuma no experience ubetimi aye wo me hu nsa no calm players ne down of all decisions the break kasi ye hwem a enye but me pese e sopo e boa na ye adwuma this guy Rasta guy or Johnson Oponya issue kakra what man register me on say ke register nanka be last 3-4 months ko betimi abobio we hate training grounds ya oye ya ko betimi abobi abroso ba ya maye go ni ho ne ho offer emwa we dey offer asesma no ache aye ya afa me offer ase ne me person succeed ba me hu sa no kotoko players we most of them with all due respect nkwada with all due respect be bre I san kwala kasache ekwan apefla ofa so ye oba no wonbe ya ma into ofa kasachere wo momaye na dwuma no nyekra behwe me hu nsa no wo park ne so any radio for na chi please me ni radio for na chi nti on this episode with regards to say management any offer Zito adi nkomo akoshin no with neo transit be with as a Kumasi nye Kumasi with journalists say ayibisa na any offer so ajatum so obetemi down no focus on adwuma no I think that it's a step in the right direction, a good step. And many aje, mame mo kotoko management abaso, how omagina ko Zito echi. Akwanya bapasa and confirm fire out. Me so omunya good broni coach bia, my body di ni first name Lomosin. We're Swedish coach. But almost there be mummy nyabotre. So if I still there were pending, intermediate offers, information, a future now offer me between two offer for crowd, the offers, and I can't cry. To me, sure, wow, offer. The Lomosin coach is still pending, and some foreign coaches, very good coaches, to offer. Can you maybe boys we will be to me at Temu down one time? Oh, more there's some quadra. Over to me at Temu down. Show almost on your human in your ninkunim, no offer. You bet me a league, you know. Any players in here 1v1, 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 1v1. Me said, many Kotoko players, most of them are dealing. Now, with all due respect to the players, be brave, sabe, they are youngsters, be bragging of them, giving Ghana Premier League in players, you know. Be brave, omo exhibiting kwadasu, onhunu she wa brabom. Ofa, fa onyama ra omumu, why you be paying? We can win this league. No, first, that be Abu Jeba Anonia Unity, I ever brew. In Tier Radio for no, na you are Juma. Please, Missy Hatchau, offer say, and then my story I may be my castle. I transfer a cray na editorial kakra, media soso, amame offer. Into offer, who share video ya, offer say Kuma, the family Zito. Me peso a ye ma or kotoko. Ubeti players na twerk near my offer 10 days ya away pass and anyone that's away twerk near my boys ni be betimi boys ni dia me say the person mo yomba ya ma omo ya adwen no nti yiro ho of afa show muchi they will work for you please. Thank you so much abushina ye ba the other stories dewa ebe to aso ama yi pa facha me na kotoko ni ye a ni nyina no sebe yetimi tina se eboa kasafa kotoko no nti yan tena ema obi ntena so adware akotena microphone ni atutu jakwa